Day 4 of our gluten-free sourdough starter. And let's see. Oh, it's looking really good. See those bubbles? I hit it a little bit so it fell, but it was risen all the way up to there before I tapped it. This tip before, how I measure out my flour. I always put it in a bowl or a dish and lightly scrape it as so. And then throw it, because it's a clean bowl, throw it right back in the bag. Half a cup of brown rice flour, half a cup of room temperature water. The smell is sourdough bread. That's what I'm smelling right now. It's really cool. All right, here we go. There we go. I think that's about a third. We're gonna mix it well. We keep our house about 69 to 70 degrees. So I'm feeling really comfortable leaving it on the counter. The half a cup of water, that's what it looks like. Towel, loose, counter.